Doors and windows leak because 43% of water intrusion happens at doors and windows because there's a lot of different dynamics. There's moving parts, especially with sliding glass doors. Open doors that actually open inward when hydrodynamic pressure, wind and rains hit those doors, the waterproofing or neoprene seals are weakened. There's a lot of challenges with doors and windows, especially as they're integrated with other components that make up the building envelope. I've worked with EFCO, Traco, Conair, a lot of the big manufacturers on these windows. We've put them under ASTM testing, and today, over the last 5 or 10 years, they have come a long way to getting acceptable limits or performance values with doors and windows. Now they're still struggling in residential, but a lot of the commercial buildings are getting better, and we don't have as many doors and windows leaking, but still the curtain walls, and we still got a lot of problems out there, but they're getting better. People are starting to wake up. They're starting to understand building envelope performances and how windows have to integrate properly with other building systems.